Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Roda Snyder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe. If you've already done so, then thank you so much for returning to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a mat using thread and mesh. So first we're going to take our mesh and draw a flower or a bunny if you like, or a cat, or you can just leave it plain. Then use your 2.5 or 3.0 needle to sew the thread or the yarn onto the mat. I've already done the green one and the pink one, so just watch and learn. I'm doing the white, which is going to be my background. The pink will be parts of the flower, but the white will be the background of the mat. Once you're done sewing or knitting, you are going to cut the thread or the yarn. And this part I played in slow-mo so that you can see it. After cutting, we do the edges. Here I'm going to use a green yarn. And also for this part, there is a segment where I've put it in slow-mo so that you can follow. If you've watched up to this point and have enjoyed, then kindly subscribe, hit the like button, share with your friends, comment and tell me what you think about it. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell for more of my updates. And just like that, the mat is done. You can see the edges and the mat is also very fluffy. Thank you.